Welcome back. Now, the National Capital Region is battling the worst smog in the last 17 years, and the National Green Tribunal has now stepped in, slamming the centre and the state government for not being serious in tackling the issue. The NGT today asked the Environment Secretaries of Haryana, UP, Punjab and Rajasthan to submit a report on the burning of agricultural residues and pollution control to the tribunal by the 8th of this month. Meanwhile, with children bearing the brunt of the heavy smog, prominent schools in the NCR have declared a holiday in order to keep children out of the toxic air. The Centre for Science and Environment has recommended a closure of all schools in the region till the pollution comes down. The Delhi government also discussed plans to deal with the situation with the Central Pollution Control Board, or the CPCB, and the Delhi Pollution Control Committee. The officials have said that crop burning in neighbouring states, along with construction, Diwali cracker mess, are the reason for the situation being so bad.
With each passing day, the air in the national capital is becoming dangerous to breathe. That is the level of pollutants in the air at the moment in the capital. Remember, experts say children and elderly people are vulnerable to this air. We are outside a school which has been called closed today, Raghuveer Singh Junior Modern School. They have shut it for today and it will extend till Monday so that they can check for next 2-3 days if the weather improves and they can call back these children. Just not this school, similarly Delhi Sri Ram Vasant Valley School has also been declared closed for next 2-3 days because they are asked to stay indoors, because these children, if they are exposed to these air for a long time, can become dangerous for these children. So they wanted to check how does the weather go for next 2-3 days. Experts say government need to immediately come up with some effective steps. So far the steps taken are not effective enough, hence the situation is not changing. Just not that, vehicular movement, more of public transport might help the situation. Similar steps has to come from the government as soon as possible, but at the moment the situation is grim, where a school had to be shut. You can imagine in days to come, this is just the beginning of winter's situation actually might go worse. With camera person Dharmendra, this is Parveena for India Today.
इसके लिए मैंने आज सेक्रेटरीज की बैठक बुलाई है. आने वाले समय में मैं मिनिस्टर्स के साथ बैठने वाला हूं. एनजीओ, सोसाइटी, मीडिया, इन सब से भी हम एडवाइस ले रहे हैं कि आप बताइए कि क्या लॉ होना चाहिए, हम क्या करें जिसको कि सबको एक्सेप्टेबल हो और कोई ये ना माने कि ये केवल मेरे लिए किया जा रहा है. उसको लेकर के हम सामने लाएंगे. आज हम समस्या को कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आने वाले समय में और आने वाले वर्षों के अंदर ये होनी ही नहीं चाहिए, या मिनिमम लेवल पे या परमिसेबल लिमिट में होनी चाहिए. तो उसको लेकर के मुझे लगता है कि एडवाइजरी तक रुक करके नहीं चला जाएगा, उससे वो होगा नहीं. उससे 2 कदम आगे जाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. उसको क्या करना है वो आने वाले समय में मालूम पड़ेगा.
दिल्ली सरकार ने एक जवाब में ये भी कहा कि इसकी वजह क्रॉप बर्निंग है, जो कि बेसिकली अदर राज्यों का इशू है, और वहाँ पे जो क्रॉप जलती है उससे जो क्रॉप का रेजिड्यू, उससे जो बर्निंग होती है और जो गैसेस निकलती है वो दिल्ली में आती है. तब उस पर कोर्ट ने कहा कि क्योंकि अभी तो हवा का जो रुख है और वो ज़ीरो है, मींस हवा ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो जो क्रॉप का बर्निंग का जो गैसेस है वो दिल्ली एंटर नहीं कर रही है.
पोल्यूशन जिस प्रकार से बढ़ गई है उसको कम होना चाहिए, लेकिन पोल्यूशन के कारण जो वेरियस रिपोर्ट्स में आए हैं, जो मैक्सिमम कारण है वो क्रॉप बर्निंग है, वो रोड डस्ट है. इसीलिए जो प्रिंसिपल एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न है वो होना चाहिए और उसी को समझौता करने से हम कर सकते हैं.
The NCR is literally gasping for breath, but the people who are most worried at this point are parents, because they are left wondering what's going to happen to their children in this polluted, toxic air.
Better for children to stay at home than to come so early or they should change the school timing so that when the sun comes out, then they can come. So the pollution level goes down by around 10-10:30, and then it again starts from around 6-6:30.
Especially after Diwali, the pollution level is too high. So it is really very alarming and warning for the next generation.